Attention taxpayers! The deadline for the last installment of advance tax for the financial year 2024 to 25 is fast approaching. Are you ready? Mark your calendars. March 15th, 2025 is the final due date. Let's break it down. Advance tax follows a pay-as-you-earn system. If your total tax liability exceeds 10,000 Indian rupees in a financial year, you're required to pay it in advance instead of waiting until the year end. We're now in the fourth and final installment period. By March 15th, 2025, you must ensure 100% of your total tax liability is paid to stay compliant. So, who needs to pay advance tax? If you're a salaried professional earning additional income, a freelancer, business owner, corporate entity, or part of an LLP, this applies to you. Paying your advance tax is quick and easy. Simply visit www.incometax.gov.in, choose from net banking, debit card, UPI, or pay at a designated bank branch. Hassle-free and secure. But beware, missing the deadline can cost you. Interest charges under Section 234B and 234C may apply, leading to an additional tax burden. Don't let penalties pile up. This is your final reminder. Pay your advance tax by March 15th, 2025 to avoid penalties. Need help? Drop your questions in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more tax updates.